Well, guys, good morning, everyone. This is Zach Harris here from the School of Financial Education, Profits of Wealth, or some of you may know me from the School of Economic Trends. So today is, excuse me, today is 28th of November 2016. The time is 22:09 here in London. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna analyze markets today for this week. Fairly strange. Markets has been acting really strange as FTSE's not going up or down. It's moving in between their range from 6,700 to 6,800. We haven't gotten any proper trade since before the US elections. However, I'm pretty sure that before the Christmas, when the Santa rally comes, we will be placing a trade and capturing maybe in around 300-400 points profit long trade. But however, in between those times, I will be trading day trading as well as some swing tradings week to week basis in order to show you some entries and exit levels and show you how to capture a little bit of profit week to week basis. So guys, let's jump right in, and I'm going to show you exactly what I believe for the markets is going to go, and then I'm back here again. We're looking at FTSE chart first of all, and as you can see here, the markets were ranging in between up to November, ranging in between 6,637 to 7,095. Then we have a downward trend. As you can see, if I were to draw a line from here to there you go. So we had a downward trend there. Our support level hasn't changed, as you can see here. That is 6,637. However, our actual range is getting smaller. We had a range of from 7,095 to 6,637, and then after that our range, if I were to move this line maybe below here, then range got smaller to 6,9332, maybe 6,637. Now even getting more smaller here from 6,853 to 6,637. We've got an internal support level there as well. If I were to move this line here, there you go. For the last 2 weeks, it has been moving in between 6,730, 6,854. So what we're looking to do is, ideally, in next week and a half, if the FTSE actually moved over to 6,651, I have no doubt about that. After that, will take a turn and rise back up, and that will be our chance to capture. We're talking about roughly 300 to 400 points from that point onwards. So once we get that price of 6,651, we will be placing a trade in around that point when it takes a turn around that point, and we will capture that actually all these points. So let me just draw a quick line there. Wow. So we're talking about 376 points, 5% move overall. That would be pretty good. Well, we will ignore the percentage. It depends what size of your account is, and only then you'll be trading. And these are the points we will like to capture. So this is the analysis for the FTSE. Again, this week, I doubt we will get any trade on FTSE to capture a few hundred points. However, I will be trading tomorrow, Wednesday, Thursday and Friday, day trading on FTSE and maybe a couple of more currency pairs as well. But for now, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to jump over to Euro versus USD. Gonna draw some charts, and I'm going to show you where do I believe it's going to go and when will we find an exact entry on Euro versus USD. Okay guys, so now we are looking at, let me just go full screen. Now we are looking at Euro versus USD. As you can see here, overall trend is downward. Even if I were to move back there, well, that is the overall trend. As you can see, it has taken a turn from 1.13, but unfortunately overall trend at that time was still a bullish trend, but it has changed that trend there when it broken through their MA200 line. So it's broken through that line, and since then it went down to 1.5272, as you can see here. I reckon we still have a gap here. Yes, a lot of people are wondering why don't we actually trade to go up, because the trend has totally changed for Euro versus USD, and when the trend is changed, we never go against the trend. We gotta follow the trend. Even though I know you probably can see that there are actually a couple of 100 points, there's a gap there that we could actually get involved, but do we really want to take a chance? We would rather actually place a trade when we know for a fact that our chances of capturing profits would increase, and that's why we will not be trading there. However, I believe that it will rise back up here, and then it could take a turn. Might actually take a turn slightly earlier, but in around that point it will take a turn. I don't know if it's gonna touch the trend line, but if even if it does touch the trend line, I think it's going to take a turn to drop back down, and that's when we will be placing a trade in around the price of 1.10, 1.090. In between those 100 points, we will be capturing, we will be placing trade, and that is a gap of 400 points. That is something we are planning on capturing, 400 points. So guys, wait, like I don't know that we will get the signals just yet. However, once we do, we will be placing trades. Euro is looking really weak lately in last couple of weeks, so we want to be a little bit careful. So let's get out of this actually chart and let's look at Euro versus GBP. Well above actually its MA200. As you can see here, we did have a support level there, which was a previous resistance, but now it was support. It was broken. However, we had a really strong support level there, and we had internal support there, and it has taken a turn. Looks that way, but at the same time, we don't have any reversal bar. We don't have any strong bar that would give us indication, no, you know what, we should get involved, and we would be able to capture maybe a few 100 points. But I will wait and watch, see what happens this evening. If the bar closes strong enough in around 0.86 mark, if we get a good bar, that big bar, we will definitely be placing trade. I'm just gonna make it clear here. If that bar closes in around 0.86 in around that part, if this bar closes in around this price at 0.85998 or even 0.86, I will be placing a long trade in order to capture maybe a couple of 100 points. So we will now buy the close of business today. As you can see, last week I was going to get involved, but our bars are not strong enough. We didn't see any reversal bar, which gives us the indication now the market is going to take a turn, and there's enough buyers there to push the sellers out. However, you can see the sellers are still jumped in. There was what day was it? That was the 21st of November, when we had so much sellers. Then the buyers were pushed out again. Look, a few buyers, but then another bearish bar that pushed all the buyers out. Now we'll see. Today's bar is fairly important. It's back onto the comfort zone line as well, in between RSI. So we'll see where this bar finishes today, and then we will be getting involved in that order to capture a couple of 100 points maybe this week. Okay, thanks very much for watching this clip. If you like this clip, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.